classic one today. Doing up a quick dinner because the rain's gonna fall any minute, where we're gonna have some boiled dumplings and green plantain all together.
I need flour matter. With cornmeal.
Cornmeal dumpling.
Yeah.
That's some plantain, man.
Plantain.
Yeah.
Plantain and some wicked.
Man could come up and make him go buy baked bean and run it faster, you know? But some baked bean. I could buy. I'll eat with dumpling and plantain, you know?
So you got plantain in here already. You try my Rasta oven mitt hands. You go fast is the trick. Can I see? Yeah, you can see a little tip of plantain. I don't want to burn my hand. Oh, that's how boss does it. So green plantain this time. Green, boil strong, not sweet. Kind of like a potato
Straight
almost.
green,
Yeah, straight up, straight up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the dumplings. Jarrett, you got dumplings in there?
Yes, Matty.
So this is like the same ones you made for me for breakfast the other day with cornmeal.
Yeah.
Or did you use straight flour the other day, right?
Yes, Matty.
So this is a little different because we got the cornmeal.
Yeah.
Cornmeal dumpling. Okay. And is it same thing? You got a little baking powder in there as well?
No, I'm not put no baking
No baking powder. So these are boiled dumplings, which are different. Okay.
Powder make it good to in there, make it soft.
But those are the baking powder for ones when you fry, and then this is the one you do when it's boiled. No baking powder. Okay. Look at this chicken on top of the grave. That's what all the dogs are barking at. Got these goth chickens. Well, you guys are so emo, hanging out on the grave.
No trouble, no, I don't want to know where you look. Love my own. Love my own, brother.
What style are you gonna do? Spinners?
No man, dumpling me I make, you know.
Just straight dumpling.
Dumpling, dumpling.
Jumping dumpling. Cooney, you do not have to protect us from chickens, especially goth chickens. They're fine, let them live.
Flour dumpling. We eat later on with some baked bean. That's what we can do in the rain, brother.
It's a good rainy day dish.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't take too long. Nice and simple.
Easy and simple, Bubba. Oh. Shun it done. No, sir. All this pot clean and nice. Cover it. Come here, go put some other ingredients in there we cook later and some baked bean and cucumber. Put it up by a baked bean. And I make them go and go cook.
Well, he just went to the store to get some beers, but I'm sure. Did you call him? I can call him.
Yeah, but
so he doesn't have to come running back.
I don't know where that can buy. I could give me $1,000.
Well, I just said to get a couple. Maybe he's got money too.
Oh, you don't know, I never can tell. Yeah, you never can tell.
Having problems again. Oh, look at Duppy. I'm trying to, but now all of a sudden I got no service. I'm gonna try again. Beans. Add beans to the order, please. All right, no luck with Koopy. Fresh okra. We pick those from here.
Yeah. Let me get them, man.
So when I think of these plants, I think of them growing down like this. But much like pineapple or banana, they actually grow the opposite. They grow up like that. So in my mind, they grow upside down, coming up backwards. But in reality, That's how nature makes them.
Yes, sir.
Because before I saw banana trees, like the one out there, I thought bananas grow looping down from the top. So, you don't know what you don't know.
Good, sir. Okra.
Look more.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
What? You're going weird.
So check out this little okra plant. I'll show you exactly what I mean. And let me know if you're the same or if I'm just crazy. This is okra. And look how it grows. Straight up. I thought it was going to be growing like that, like a pepper or something. So did you know that okra grows like that? Because I didn't. And look, you can get beautiful little flowers. Get okra flower there. And here's a little tiny one just starting to bud. You can just see him right there. That's your little okra. And it's got a very distinct leaf again, so it's a pretty easy one to tell. Kind of looks like a Canada maple leaf, aka the best hockey team on the planet. Am I right? Nice necklace.
Yeah, I look.
Looks very good. Sexy.
See? Natural orange, you know.
Oh, let me do a slow motion shot.
Come on.
It's a good look.
Nature, you know.
So, you've always been a trendsetter, but this is a new trend.
Yeah.
Soon everyone around the world is going to be wearing orange necklace.
Yeah, man, necklace.
You don't need no roll arm or perfume?
No,
Or...
man. You're in there, man. Look keep your fresh and nice scent up, man.
That's gold.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So we look upon this, you know, we are all these natural necklace, you know. Come on.
Natural as it gets, yeah.
Natural necklace. And also we eat oranges.
It's a double win, man.
The blue, the green way. Check this out.
First you gotta put on the necklace, then you get the flavor. You take a bite. Test it, man. Your turn.
Taste it.
Whole bite, man. Whole bite. Come on.
The whole bite.
That's weak. Whole thing, man.
Ratty, tell the whole thing and stop rapping and Ratty. Touch your Ratty.
Oh, he's handling it pretty good.
Everybody come and got a necklace by oranges. Some good perfume.
Man, I take one with big belly Ratty.
I missed this part. I missed that.
Dip bean?
Yeah.
Dip bean and tomatoes when then I cut up the tomatoes.
Ah.
I made just throw a little baked bean in there and some oil.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's the sauce for the other stuff.
Yeah, that is sauce. That's what you eat the dinner, the baked bean.
Mm-hmm.
A little food of cook there. But that is water, man. Make sure I eat and mix it up and throw the oil and throw the baked bean in there and that's it. No big deal, people. You must go and see what them are doing.
But you put that on the dumplings, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, wicked.
I'll put that right now.
Cool.
Wash it somewhere.
Oh, yeah?
Me, I'll tell you, man. Somewhere else. Rainfall, you know. And some homeless people.
From
Get
this rainfall. Yeah.
Wow. People are watching now. When I have my TV and flood, you know, I see people climb all tree to save all them little kids and them.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why. And then try heavy option. And it not work. We like digital floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of them phone there could have saved the people. Did you say like Flo? I don't remember, but one of them top phone there, you know. Woman they way up in a tree. Helicopter.
What?
Come help him and the little boy. But you know, we Jamaican, we chop down tree chop and we say something.
Look at that plate. Is what they call food, right?
Dumpling.
Boiled food.
Dumpling. Natural food. Them people eat in a rain, you know.
Good rainy day weather.
Yes, well.
Well, there's plenty of water to boil.
People eat and happy. Enjoy themselves. I think this is good for you, man. Why I can't, you know, I love to take out nothing, you know. Why I have to do it too, you know.
Facebook and Twitter.
Play it up.
Simple and easy.
Yeah.
No hard, you know.
Yeah, you let the pot do the work on this one, huh?
Simple, man. This is the water and cut baked beans and shit.
Alright, sir. Good stuff.
What?
Thank you. Alright, here we go. Plantain, baked beans, okra, dumpling. Get some okra sauce together.
Tomato. Yeah, man. Excellent meal, you know.
Yeah, perfect for a rainy day. And, hey! And the plantain one I like this, green, totally savory, not a hint of sweetness. To me it tastes like a potato, like same kind of texture as a root vegetable or yam or something like that. And it's really, really nice. So plantain are amazing. You get them nice when they're sweet, nice when they're savory, or nice even in the middle too, sort of half-half. And the dumpling, look at this. This is the perfect dumpling. You can see how in the middle there's no whiteness. Half the time if you buy it somewhere, not half, but it's dry and hard in the middle, like it, and it's terrible.
Yeah. That means that no need of good. Part boil, part no boil, part no need. Dry stuff you get.
So it's not just the cooking, it's the actual kneading to make it mix up properly. Yeah, so if I cut that open. Do you see that? See that nice, even, perfectly cooked through, perfectly kneaded? No hard business in the middle, or dry, uncooked. It's just, yeah, perfect dumpling.
Even when it's fried too. Gaffalo.
Yeah, it's one of those ones that looks simple, but you gotta have the right technique. So good.
People that some people want this right now. This kind of food, wow. Something not good food, man. Don't be keep you up, you know. Make you not so hungry.
A good fill up your belly.
But need not a dumpling pan, you know.
No?
Maybe a year, 2 years when I eat dumpling.
Yeah, you know, I think I see you put them in soup sometimes, but I haven't seen you do them like this.
You just be like, oh, make 2 dumplings. And this one, everybody wants a mountain hockey and salad and dumpling restaurant.
True. Yeah, you see it a lot of places. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed as much as we are enjoying. Bless up. Thank you.
Hey!
Hey!